Today we're here with Cheyenne. She has a little bit of a rotational pattern, but it's going up through the front body here. She also went to a concert last night and did some head banging. So we're gonna work through this area that has a lot of tension and just a lot of accumulated energy from last night. So we're gonna start here at the foot of the table, always checking in with the entire system with something that we call biotensegrity. So how her entire system is connected and how the tension and compression patterns are aligned at the moment. Good, so nice deep breath right here. Nice. Good. Bring that breath right through the center, yes. Good. All the way up, nice. So there's primarily all the tension is right here in her traps, mostly on the right side. And I could just sit here and put a bunch of pressure into this and cause a lot of pain to help her release it, but instead of that, we're going to bring her awareness and breath to this area, kind of let her body disperse all that tension. So I'm going to have you breathe through the front all the way into this spot. Yes, just like that. Nice. So with that tension that really was accumulating mostly on this right side, it pulled this segment over with it. So we're going to open that up here. We got that rotation, there's still some extension we need to get here, so we're going to drop this down and away from her head along the line of the disc here. So feeding along the facet and dropping into the disc. Big breath. Good. Out. Nice. Good. Again, opening up the rib cage, being nice and light. Yep. There you go. So with that rib adjustment versus getting really specific on one rib, we can adjust the rib cage more globally. Awesome. Now you face the left side. So we're going to feed into the sacrum while opening up the low back. Nice. If you lift your knees up. So you'll notice every time we're always checking the feet and the knees, not just the hips and spine and neck, because this is how we interact with the world, the ground. It's really important to make sure this is all functioning optimally here. Big breath into the chest. Yeah. And let it all go. Nice. Good breath. So most of that tension from moving the head was in the traps and then also at the base of the occiput here. And her occiput is a little misaligned, as well as the upper cervical. We're going to open up the occiput. So right now this right side is compressed down and forward. We're going to open this backward. Good. Well. Good. And then C2. Nice. Good. Nice deep breath there. So Cheyenne's system is a little bit more watery, meaning there's a lot more give and motion in her ligaments. So we had to go a little bit further and still deliver a nice gentle adjustment just a little bit further into that to make sure that there's engagement into a specific segment. And adjusted beautifully. C6 on the right, actually C5 right there. Nice, good, another couple breaths in. And here just allowing her to integrate that adjustment. Awesome. Now have you open your jaw. Okay, so right now we have her jaw tracking a little left, meaning this right side's doing most of the opening, the left side is a little compressed and not doing as much. This often causes symptoms or clicking or popping in the side that's doing most of the work. So we're going to bring that down and through from the left. Good, right there. Open again. Much better. Some of the muscles are still holding on there, so I'm just going to help her open that myofascial system on this left side a little bit. It's amazing how much stress and tension is held in the jaw. And most of us just don't realize it, myself included. But you don't know until you check. Good, and open again. Awesome.
Oh,
Much better, huh?
yeah.
Nice. All right, take a few more breaths. Just let that all go. All set.